Grabe, di ako makapagsalita. Hi everyone! Super na-miss ko kayo. So, sana kilala nyo pa ako, no? Okay, so, nakalimutan ko na actually yung intro ko. Ayan. So, anyway, good day everyone. I am Teacher Mariel, and I am a math teacher. I am a math tutor, and of course, I have YouTube channel wherein nag-upload ako ng mga videos doon. Also, meron din akong Facebook page, Facebook, TikTok page. So, pwede nyo akong puntahan doon kasi marami tayong mga na-upload na mga videos, mga math videos. And eto right now, super duper na-miss ko kayo kasi hindi na ako masyado nakakapag-focus ngayon sa aking YouTube channel kasi super dami kong ginagawa na already. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na. So, ngayon, babawi tayo kasi mag-create tayo ng mga videos ulit ngayon sa ating YouTube channel. So, sana ay supportahan nyo pa rin ako. And, our lesson for today is all about adding and subtracting polynomials. That is gonna be the one that we will be discussing today. Anyway, kapag itong polynomials is pwede siya sa starting from grade 7 to higher level, no? So, wait, gulo yung hair natin. So, pwede siya kahit kanino, no? So, what I mean to say is, kapag naka-encounter kayo ng ganito, ayan, so, as you notice, sobrang mahaba agad, no? Yan. Pero huwag kayo masyadong ma-confuse dyan. Madali lang yan. Okay? So, yung iba, sanay sila isolve itong polynomials. Um, ano, horizontally. So, wherein hinahanap lang talaga yung like terms. Okay? Halimbawa, itong negative 3x cubed tapos 7x cubed. So, directly pina-plus na kaagad, no? Ina-add na kaagad. Pero, pwede din natin itong gawin vertically, which is mas madali na way. Mas madali siya na way. Yung sa vertically. Okay? So, dito sa ating adding lang muna tayo, okay? Adding polynomials. Super duper dali lang nito everyone. Okay? Kasi ito, wala na tayong madami pang gagawin, kundi i-combine lang yung like terms. Dito sa adding polynomials, pwede nating sundin yung CAC. Combine like terms, add the coefficients, and copy the variable. Again, combine like terms, add the coefficient, then copy the variable. Yun lang, variable with the exponent, ganun lang yung gagawin natin when it comes to this one, okay? So, madali lang to kasi hahanap lang tayo ng like term. So, we're gonna do that vertically. So, vertically means, unahin natin itong negative 3x cubed. So, you have to rewrite it. So, we need to rewrite it. So, let's say we have negative 3x cubed here. Ayan. So, sino ba yung ka-like terms nito? Okay. Mamaya ilalagay natin. Copy muna natin itong negative 3x cubed plus 5x squared minus 4x plus 8. So, copy lang muna natin yan sila. Okay? So, after nyan, mag-plus na tayo. Yung iba, no, kapag napansin nila na ganito kalaki kagad or kadami kagad yung mga terms, nako-confuse na kagad. Wag kayo kagad ma-confuse. Unahing gawin, kumalma. Ikalma nyo lang. And, ang uunahin lang palagi is, yung rules. Kasi dito kailangan nyo din yung rules of integers. Very important na alam natin yung rules of integers. Yung how to add, subtract negative numbers, multiply, and divide. Pero nasa addition, subtraction pa lang naman tayo, no? So, then copy lang itong nasa second parenthesis natin. Pero dapat sa katapat na terms. So, halimbawa si 7x cubed. So, ang kanyang ka-like terms here ay si negative 3x squared. So, put it there. 7x cubed. So, parang sunod-sunod na naman. So, kadalasan hindi siya sunod-sunod. So, you just have to, to align the like terms, align the like terms, okay? So, negative 3x squared, of course, ka-like terms niya si 5x squared. So, dito mo siya ilalagay. Minus 3x squared. And then, si 4x, of course, ka-like terms niya si negative 4x. So, you put 4x here. And also, that constant, yung constant natin na si 5, Of course, kasama niya or kapartner niya si 8. So, ganyan lang. Then, of course, you will be starting na to add. Mag-a-add ka na. So, again, combine like terms, okay na. And hindi naman mahirap i-combine yung like terms. Titingnan nyo lang kapag sinabi nating like terms, terms that is having the same variable and the same exponent. Okay? Hindi pwedeng same variable lang. Kailangan with the same exponent silang dalawa, boss. Okay? Para masabi nating like terms sila. No? So, halimbawa, itong 3x cubed tsaka 5x squared, although they are having the same x or variable x, pero magkaiba sila ng exponent. Ito ay 3, ito ay 2. So, hindi pa rin sila like terms. Unlike terms pa sila. Okay? So, dapat parehas na parehas yung variable with the exponent as well. Now, start adding. So, syempre, madali lang. Mag-add ka lang. So, negative 3 plus 7. Add the coefficient. Diba? Add the coefficient. Negative 3 plus 7. Rule of integers, unlike sign, you have to subtract. So, therefore, meron ka ditong 4. Okay? Kahit pa nauna si 3, okay lang yun. Subtract mo lang 7 minus 3. Okay? Kasi yun yung rule ng integers. Copy. And then the last rule, copy the sign of the highest number. The highest number is 7. So, therefore, you just have to write positive 4 in there. Then, the third rule, ayan, add, copy the variable with the exponent. Ayan, copy lang yung x cubed. Ayan, diba? Ganun lang kasimple. And then, of course, ito naman tayo kay 5, positive 5 and negative 3. Positive 5 plus negative 3, of course, that's gonna be 5 minus 3. Kasi naman, they are having unlike sign. So, you have to subtract. So, plus 2 to. Bakit po plus 2? Kasi the third rule that you should always remember, copy the sign of the highest number. 5 is the highest number, so you copy that 5 because positive yan, positive yung answer mo. So, 2x squared. Copy din po itong x squared natin in here. Ganun lang kasimple. Super duper dali. Right? And then, of course, ito naman. Negative 4x plus 4x. Isa-isahin lang natin to. Hindi naman kailangan sabay-sabay kagad dito. Isa-isa lang. Ayan. So, negative 4x plus 4x. So, ito ay parehas ng coefficient, pero magkaiba yung sign. So, ang tawag dito ay opposite, right? The opposite of negative 4 is positive 4. So, kapag napansin nyo na ganito, cancel out yan kasi 0 na yung magiging answer dyan. 0. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0. Having different sign, so you have to subtract 4 minus 4 is 0. And I know that you know that one already. So, basically, kapag mag-subtract at mag-add ng polynomials, you have to recall the rules of integers. Okay? Then, 8 plus 5, of course, that's gonna be 13. Ayan, okay. So, ganun lang. And then, yan na yung final answer mo. So, i-rewrite mo lang ng mas maganda, yung mas dikit-dikit na kasi humiwalay yung 13 eh. So, rewrite it. Of course, madali lang. 4x cubed. Ayan. Plus 2x squared plus 13. Ayan na yung final answer. Super easy lang, no? Ayan, good job. So, sana ay na-learn nyo na siya. Na-learn nyo na. So, ito ay pang grade 7, no? Pwede sa any higher level. So, yan na yung final answer natin. Now, let's move on to our subtraction. So, kung may tanong kayo, you can always comment it in the comment section below. Ayan. Ginamiss ko talaga to. Ayan. Anyway, tara, move na tayo sa subtraction. Yung subtraction, super duper easy lang din nito. No? Hindi naman din siya mahirap. So, meron lang ilang konting rules na kailangan nating gawin. Pero almost the same thing. Parehas lang din naman ng addition. So, remember, addition and subtraction or addition and subtraction are inverse operations. So, 'di ba? Ibig sabihin, kapag nag-add tayo, sometimes nagsusubtract din tayo kapag mag-check tayo, di ba? So, kapag nagsusubtract tayo, nag-a-add tayo when we also check, di ba? I know you know that, the inverse operation sila. So, magka-partner na operation. So, wait lang, nagugulo yung hair ni teacher. Wait. Okay, so let's move on to subtracting polynomials. So, ulitin ko, kapag mga ganito, algebra kasi to no? Pero yung algebra, you know what, mas madali kesa sa geometry. For me, so kayo ba, mas madali ba sa inyo yung, yung algebra or geometry? So, comment lang. Anyway, let's go with this one. 7x squared, ayan, minus 3x plus 1, ay, minus 3x plus 1. Ayan. Tapos, meron tayong minus here. Minus negative 6x squared. There you go. Plus 8x minus 2. Ayan. Okay na. Alright. And then, what are you gonna do with this? Ano yung gagawin natin dito? Di ba kanina, meron tayong finalo na CAC. Yung kanina, yung combined like terms, add the coefficient, and last is, ano yung last natin? Combined like terms, add the coefficient, and copy the variable. Copy the variable. Ngayon, ang susundin natin dito ay CCAC. CCAC. Ano po yung CCAC? Wait, lagyan natin. Wait. Okay. CCAC. Ito yung pinaka-important, itong first. First, okay? Kasi, syempre, all the first step naman talaga, important naman talaga, especially in the process. Kasi, very important sila. Kasi, doon ka magbe-base So, kung nagawa mo siya ng tama, magagawa mo din ng tama yung mga next. So, kung hindi, edi ulit. Yan. Pero yung C na yan is to change the sign of the second, of the subtrahend. Change the sign of the subtrahend. So, alin ba po yung subtrahend? Yung pangalawang parenthesis. So, ito, minuend. Ito, subtrahend. Okay? So, change the sign of all the terms in the subtrahend. So, paano po yun, teacher? Paano po yun, ma'am? So, itong negative 6x squared, gagawin mo yung plus ngayon. Itong plus, positive 8x, gagawin mo yung minus. And then, itong plus minus 2, gagawin mo yung plus 2. Ganun lang. Okay? Then, proceed na. Proceed ka na sa sa ating combining like terms. Combining like terms. Okay? You can also do it horizontally. So, pwedeng direct na to. Pwede din namang vertical. So, syempre, kapag vertical, ganito mo lang siya gagawin. Ayan, wait. So, lagay natin siya dito. Copy mo muna yung 7x squared. Let's copy first. The 7x squared minus 3x plus 1. Ayan, copy mo na yan. Plus 1. Okay? And then, yung 6x squared. Yan. Sa katapat ulit, align your like terms. Okay? Kasi combining like terms tayo. Okay? Addition and subtraction of polynomials is just almost the same thing. Diba? Kanina nagsusubtract din tayo sa addition kasi nga po inverse operation sila. Especially when it comes to integers. Diba yung rule of integers natin? Yung rule ng subtraction is naka-aligned sa rule ng addition. Ganun din dito. So, application lang naman to. So, write your negative 8x. Negative 8x na yan, right? Kasi napalitan na natin. Tapos, write your positive 2. Positive na din yan. Napalitan na natin sila. Okay? Ganun lang siya kasimple. Okay, clear naman. I think clear naman, right? So, ang gagawin, just add. Okay, add na tayo. Meron tayo ditong 7 plus 6. And then, meron ka ditong 13x squared. Okay, 13x squared. Tapos, negative 3 minus 8. Of course, they are having the same sign. So, negative 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay? So, ganun lang. Then, copy the variable. Palagi copy the variable. And then, 1 plus 2 is 3. So, bakit ko ba ni-remove yung minus kanina here? Kasi napalitan na naman natin sila Okay na. napalitan na natin sila ng mga sign kanina. So, ni-remove na lang natin siya. Kasi yung sa CCAC natin, sa subtraction, change. Ito yung pinaka-important, change the sign of the, yung ating subtrahend, and then combine like terms, add our like terms and the coefficient or yung mga numbers, and then copy the variable. Ganun lang kasimple, no? Super easy lang. And tingnan natin kung paano ba kapag hindi natin sinunod yung CCAC. The same thing lang rin naman yun. So, ganito mo naman siya gagawin. Kapag halimbawa, you do it horizontally. Okay, we're gonna do it horizontally. So, paano po yung horizontally, teacher? So, copy mo muna yung 7x squared minus 3x plus 1. Copy muna natin yung minuend. Copy? Then all you have to do is to distribute this negative or minus sign to all the terms in your subtrahend. So, negative times negative 6x squared. So, kapag nag-distribute, multiplication yon. Distribute is multiplication. So, negative times negative 6x squared, of course, magkakaroon ka ng plus 6x squared. Diba? Magiging plus din talaga yan siya. Depende kung ano yung nakalagay sa first term ng subtrahend. Kung positive yung 6, minus pa rin yan. So, basta isasama-sama mo na lang sila. Negative times positive 8x. Of course, you have negative 8x. There you go. And then negative times negative 2. Of course, you have positive 2. Okay? Positive 2. At kagaya lang din nito. 6x squared minus 8x plus 2. Diba? Kagaya lang din nung kanina. So, ni-remove natin yung minus sign kanina kasi we're gonna follow the CCAC. Again, change the sign of all the terms in your subtrahend. Combine like terms. Ayan, combine means ganyan, pagsasama-samahin. And then, add the coefficient. Ayan, i-add yung mga coefficient. And then, copy the variables. Copy. Ayan. So, dito, ganun din yung gagawin. So, combine like terms muna tayo. Combine like terms means ito. 7x squared, hanapin lang ka like terms niya. So, 6x squared. 7x squared plus 6x squared, 13. Kasi plus na yung sign dyan. So, 13x squared. And then, same thing with the negative 3x. Ka-like terms niya si negative 8x. So, we have negative 3 minus 8, the same sign. So, add. So, meron kang negative 11x. Kasi you have to copy the sign of the highest variable as always. Ganun palagi. And then, of course, the last is the constant. Itong 1 and 2. So, plus 1 plus 2 is 3. So, yan. Ayan na yung final answer natin. And as you notice, we have two ways on how to do it. So, kung alin yung mas mabilis or mas comfortable ka to use, then use it. So, ganun lang siya. The same thing lang din naman sila. Okay? So, I guess that would be all muna for our video for today, our tutorial for today. So, I hope that you've learned something from me today in this video. And if you do, please, please like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell, enable for you to always be updated in the next tutorials that I'm going to upload. So, yun lang. Again, I am Teacher Mariel. And God bless everyone. Bye and see you on my next video.